meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. I'm sorry the lighting's weird in this area, but I wanted to switch up the location for you guys, and today is the summer solstice, so happy summer solstice, guys. We got a little offering going on for Goddess Nyx, Goddess Hecate, all the Ascended Masters, and God himself, the Divine Creator, but we just got a beautiful little spread on, goddesses on the altar, and the lighting's not the best, but what you gonna do? But we are gonna unbox the June Witch's Roots box, guys. Be sure to check them out in the comment section and description box down below to visit the Witch's Moon. It's awesome subscription boxes and Moon Market because they always have something neat. This one is their herbal box, guys. And without further ado, let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Ooh. So everything's always packaged very nice. I wonder what the theme is, so let's get out this little info card. And before we look at the info card, I already see a sigil, guys, and this sigil is very beautiful. There's like color around it. Let's see, where's the dot at? I forget which way. I think the dot means that the sigil goes this way, but it's a very beautiful sigil. Can you guys see that? I just love that. That'd make a cool tattoo to put on you too. Temporary tattoos. The Witch's Moon should totally do those for the sigils so you can have them on you, do your magic. But let's see what the theme is for the month. So it's funny, guys. The theme for this month is the Divine Feminine. And of course, we already got two goddesses on the altar. Goddess Hecate from the Witch's Moon from another previous box. We got her down here. And we have Goddess Nyx behind me. I don't know. Should I make it a little brighter, guys? Hopefully that's a little better. So it says, in a world of severe judgment and dwindling perception, it can be difficult to align with energies that may seem to be non-existent in the public domain. It is so important that we continually walk down our magical path so that we do not fail to catch the beauty that surrounds us at all times. We find such comfort and clarity in our practices, allowing us to connect with those energies that bring wisdom, understanding, and purpose into our daily structure and rituals. We embrace such energies, specifically the Divine Feminine, to draw down strength, perception, power, and peace. In this very special collection, we work with specific tools to assist us in connecting with the Divine Feminine. The magical items in this box are as follows. So, ooh, let's see, guys. We already have an awesome sigil, so let's read what this is about. So this is the Great Goddess Sigil. This sigil was created for this very collection with the intention of promoting the Divine Feminine within your space. Place upon your altar or recreate the sigil within your Book of Shadows for later workings. Awesome. I already love it, guys. So let's open this baby up. Can you guys see how well everything is packaged? Nothing is going to be breaking on us. Ooh, are we getting rose quartz in this box? The Book of Shadows artwork is so beautiful. One of them is of this rose quartz artwork, guys. It's very magical. And we have one that says meadowsweet. So this must be another herb that we're getting in the box since this is an herbal box. So we'll be learning about this herb. It says that the history, the name is meadowsweet, derives from the Anglo-Saxon mundusweet, meaning mead sweetener. As it was added to flavor mead, wine, and beer, the ancient Celts periodically sprinkled it ivory flowers along the bride's path during the nuptial ceremony. A regal herb, meadowsweet is excellent peace, promoting happiness and well-being. Usually specific information and attracting folk recipes often prescribe meadowsweet to return the glow of youth or enhance beauty, attributing into mood-lifting qualities. That's really amazing, guys. There's more info on it, but I'm liking that herb. It sounds like a beautiful herb. So it looks like there is a little sachet right here, guys. Oh, this is cute. It looks like a little rose quartz crystal is in here. Don't mind me, things are falling. There's a little rose quartz tumblestone heart in here, guys. It's so cute. This would be so nice to carry in your like bag, your wallet, or maybe even your pocket in this little sachet. So that's so cute. Little rose quartz crystal for self-love. Goddess energy, of course. And let's see what else is in here. Ooh. So right here, guys. No way. This is so cool. I think something like this, guys, would be awesome to put into your stuff when you're traveling. If you want a little altar with you when you're at a hotel or traveling. Ta-da! Cute little goddess statue. And you can have your little goddess altar. That is so cute, guys. So we got ourselves a little goddess. This reminds me of the necklace of Goddess Nyx that I wear that I got from the Witch's Moon. So there's that. And is there something else to accompany it, or is this separate? Oh, this is so cute, guys. This is a Galter Otis talisman. We are thrilled to have the opportunity to include the beautiful representation of the goddess to the specific collection. With the moon resting behind her, the goddess is the true representation of beauty, growth, fertility, and power. Place this talisman on your altar or near your workspace to invite these energies into your environment. So beautiful, guys. Oh yeah, it looks like we got a goddess ritual body oil, guys, and I just love how they have this topper, so it's just like that, but they have the dropper too, so you can anoint yourself, anoint your spiritual tools. This is so beautiful, and they did the frosted glass so you guys could kind of see through. This is some sexy goddess energy right here. I just love this. Let's see what it smells like. It's called the Inner Goddess Ritual Oil. Smells good, guys. Ooh, cannot wait to anoint myself with this. It's very beautiful. Oh, I just love the Witch's Moon subscription boxes. This one is the Roots box and it's truly divine. So it looks like we, of course, got the Meadow Sweet. Am I pronouncing that right? Yeah, Meadow Sweet Herb. So we got this, guys. I cannot wait to work with it. It'll be super neat. And it looks like we also have the incense for this month too, which is the Passions incense, guys. So this is amazing to burn during your rituals, your prayers, when you're working on your altar, in your Book of Shadows. This smells very beautiful, guys. Very fragrant, and I smell the beauty of the goddess within that. That smells really good. And it looks like one of the last things we got is a little beeswax spell candle. And it looks like this one is a purple one. The highest spiritual color of spirituality. Purple goddess energy, guys. Purple goddess light. So let's open this up. Oh, this is amazing. There's such beautiful things in this box for this month, guys. I'm in love with it. Not only is it the Summer Solstice today, but I got the goddesses behind me. This box was truly amazing. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for another amazing Witch's Roots box for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon down below. In the comment section and description box, I have a link for you guys to check out their neat website. And be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you're notified for all of my future content. And like always, guys, with the power of the Summer Solstice, from the goddesses above and the ascended masters, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of the goddesses above, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated in their divine embrace. May it be as above, so below. Merry meet, merry part, merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.